Hello, hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to make this kind of slideshow in PowerPoint. It's very easy. It's called Infographic Timeline Slideshow, and today I'll teach you how to make this kind of slideshow. Let's start. First you have to open, then I'll change the background of this my slideshow. Then I'll choose this kind of color from here. I will choose the preset from here, okay, like this, and it's after that I'll drag a circle and I'll make it large. Okay, I'll duplicate by pressing Ctrl plus Shift, then I'll make it no fill, then I'll make the line size. Okay, I'll change the color also here. From here I'll choose this effect also. Okay, then after this I'll change the color of also. Okay, then I'll put this kind of effects also here from here. Okay, yeah, then after that I'll make another circle from here, then I'll make it no fill, then I'll subtract from here. First I'll choose this rectangle shape. Okay, now I will drag a arc shape from here. I will flip this arc. Okay, first I have to resize this shape from here. Okay, just wait for a moment. I am resizing this one. Yeah, like this. It's very easy. Yeah, you can also try. Yeah, now I'll remove this one, then I'll increase the line size of this arc, then I'll change the color of. Okay, now I'll again resize this arc like this. Okay, then I will change the size, and then now I will start to draw this kind of circle from here, like this. Okay, and then I will put in the right position and right distance this kind of circle. Then I'll start to drag another shape and I'll make it no line. Okay, now I'll make the size of this size. Okay, I'll select both shape and I'll make the size. Okay, then I'll start to duplicate these shapes by pressing Ctrl plus Shift. Okay, I'll make the position in the right place like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, like this. Then after that I'll start to choose colors from here. Okay, first I'll select both shapes. Okay, I'll select I'll make the same color, then I'll put the shadow effect also here, like this. Okay, then again I'll put the shadow effects like this. Okay, like this. Shadow effect. I'll select both object, then I'll put another color here also, and I will put different color in every shapes like this. Okay, then now I'll choose this orange color from here. First I will make it okay like this. You can make it like this. Okay, then after this you have I will choose another colors. I will choose blue color here. Okay, then I'll start to put shadow in this small circle shape also, like this. Okay, yeah, like this. Now I'll start to write here something like this. Example of timeline infographic slideshow then I'll write something here. I'll type some text inside this circle. Okay, yeah, I'll change the shape also, and I'll change the font size of this circle shape. Then I'll write this kind of text inside this box also. Okay, I will put text in every box like this. 2000, yeah, 2000, yeah, I'll put like this. Okay, yeah, it's very easy. First of all, I'll finish all. Yeah, now I'll start to put animation from here. First I'll put fade, and I'll put on the fade also. Then I'll put on the fade. Then I'll make it group. Okay, then I'll make it zoom, and again I'll group it, and after that I'll put the wipe effect. I will put a wipe effect in every shapes, and I'll make the direction from right. Okay, like this. Here also I'll make from right. Yeah, and the last step I'll make it again group. Okay, then I'll make it from right. Okay, now I'll select all the effect, then I'll make it after previous. Then let's see. Now you can see our slideshow is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.